Good morning, guys. This is Mike from Out and About with M&D coming at you here. World famous Old Man's Cave today, man. I think it's what, 16 degrees? A little chilly, but we're gonna get her done. Take a look at this area, guys. Picture perfect, picture perfect. I'm about to get my hiking partner in the video here. He's trying to avoid us. Charlie! You gotta get out and about, guys. Make sure you watch those other shorts if you want clues to the giveaway. I can't give away any more information, so have a great day, and we'll see you soon.